today I'm going to be doing a video about Barbies, and here are some of the new Skipper toys. Here is the Skipper diaper changing set. Then we have a little bathtub set. And then we even have the giant Skipper birthday set with a little baby. And now we get to start opening. This is the little bag. And this bag is so cool. Oh. It turns into a little diaper changing mat. And then it looks like it comes with this little towel. This fresh diaper. A baby bottle. These little wipes. The wipes came out of the diaper changing box. It comes with a little sun hat for the baby. Baby powder, I think. And the little baby. Then let's open this Barbie Skipper set. The little baby, the little bottle, then the towel, then the little towel to wrap the baby up in after the bath. Here is some ice cream. Oh, this popsicle is hard to get out. Then a little popsicle. You dip this sponge with water and rub it on the baby's face, and green stuff up here is like she has it on her right now. And then maybe this bowl or bath toy. Then the rubber duck and the bathtub. What's this? Oh, this must go on the side. I think so. Here. Now we can put these little sets. Bathtub right there. The little ducky towel. Take out the fridge. Stuff the food in. let's set up the little toys. Oh. Now the little, the big. Changing stuff. Then this little hat, I guess, goes on the baby. Then the little bottle can go in the kitchen with the little chips and the bag. And this bag can go right there. Now it's time to open this. Oh! Ow! Now the rubber bands. This is Skipper. She's all nice and pretty. Put her right there. Now it's time to get the baby out. And a little baby fell out. She came with a little bit too, and this little party hat. Then I'm gonna put this together. Go high chair up. The little balloon. This little cake that has a narrow sponge on it that should get wet, and little cake smudges appear. Then it looks like there's this present box for the choo-choo train. And another bottle. guys, I'm home. Yay, Skipper! And I also have to do a little bit of babysitting today, so I might need a little bit of help. Well, I have to leave. Bye. Ken! I have to help Ken. Oh. I get it. Okay. When are the babies here? They're already here. They came with me. What? Yeah. This is one. She really likes to drink a lot of milk. This one likes to eat a lot of ice cream. This one really, really likes cake. And it's also her birthday today. And they really love to eat, so I'm gonna be needing a lot of help. And it always seems like this one needs to go potty soon. Coo coo, coo coo, coo 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 coo. And they also really love to play, so that's why I also bought them this toy on the way home. What is it? It's not for you, it's for the kids. And it's mostly for her because today is her birthday. Wait, choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Yellow choo-choo train, choo-choo, choo-choo. Save it for later. And we are also going to be having cake. So I'm going to go... start making the food. Coo. Yes, and you can go play while I give her some cake. Coo. Your mouth is dirty? Let me go start making the cake. Let me get it out. Cake and go stick. It's all ready. So I got this shot. Cake time. Yeah, yummy. No, sit in and hold you. I want to hold you. Not on the floor. Yum. Yummy. Yum. How are you not getting dirty this time? Yum. That was cake delicious. Okay. Now that you're finished, it's time for you to go home. All of the babies. Aww. The end.